take a look at today's quick example. We have find the values of x and y in the following diagram. So we have x over here and we have y over here. So we're going to determine how we're going to find these values and what methods to use. So the first thing I'm looking at is that x. There's a triangle, a right triangle here that I'm just going to rewrite. So we have a 90-degree angle here. Here's my x. I have my 60 degrees over there. And we have this side to be 12.3 centimeters. So in order for us to find that missing side, I'm going to look at my angle 60. That's my focus angle. What have I been given to that angle? I have been given the hypotenuse, and I have to find the adjacent side. So automatically, to solve for x, we're dealing with cosine. Cosine of the angle, which would be 60 degrees, is equal to the adjacent side over the hypotenuse side. So there's my setup. In order for us to solve for x, we need to cross multiply. And we're just going to input this into our calculators. So go to 12.3 times cosine of 60 degrees equals. Make sure before you do anything, let me just go double check that your degree is on. In mode, that should be degree mode. Why? Because we're dealing with a degree measurement. So we have 6.15 centimeters to use the units that were given. Now that we have that, let me look at and fill in my diagram. So now we have that side there. So now let me focus on that y piece. I'm going to draw that triangle. I have a 90-degree here. 8.4 centimeters has been given. Y we don't know. And now we have that x side to be 6.15 centimeters. So how are we going to solve for y? What information do I have to that angle? We have the opposite side to that angle, and we have the adjacent side to that angle. So which ratio deals with opposite and adjacent? Tangent. Tangent of angle y is equal to opposite side over adjacent side. So this time we are looking for the measurement of the angle. So to find the measurement of the angle, we're going to take the inverse, right? We're multiplying technically everything by tangent inverse, which will get that y angle by itself is equal to tangent inverse of that ratio. So again, I'm going to bring out my calculator, input this into my calculator, second tangent, alpha y to get my fraction. And we have our angle to be 36.209, so forth. We're going to write our answer to 3 sig figures, so 36.2 degrees. Make sure you have that degree symbol because it is an angle. That's your unit. And that is all for this quick example.